In this trading video, I'll show you how to use the event key for an input widget as the filter for a data set using containers. In the reference app, we use containers to arrange different widgets and elements on the page. Here I'll select the input filter called search year, select the settings for that widget, and I'll copy the event key home:/search.year. We use that convention as best practices that identifies the page, the type of widget, and the specific name used for that widget. Copy that to the clipboard, and then select the desktop container again, and then select the data set for that container. Here we're using inheritance. So we've already selected the transaction view based on the inheritance. Select the dataset filter, and I can paste from the clipboard that event key home:/search.year, save, and that's it. That's how you associate an event key from any widget on any page to a dataset filter.